Hello, student. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher. And in the series of extract based MCQs, this is Chapter 4 Rat Trap. आपको मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि आपके एग्जामिनेशन में क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और 4 एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड MCQs पूछे जाने हैं। हर एक एक्सट्रैक्ट पे 4 क्वेश्चंस दिए जाएंगे, उसके साथ 4 ऑप्शंस होंगे और आपको आंसर करना होगा। इसी सीरीज में मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ ये वीडियो आपके लिए बड़ा ही इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। लेट्स बिगिन। फर्स्ट वन, please don't think that I have such a fine home that you cannot show yourself there. He said, Elizabeth is dead. As you may already have heard, my boys are abroad, and there is no one at home except my oldest daughter and myself. We were just saying that it was too bad we did not have any company for Christmas. Now come along with me and help us make the Christmas food disappear a little faster. Now, questions. हु इज एलिजाबेथ इन द अबव एक्सट्रैक्ट? अगर आपने लेसन अच्छे से पढ़ा है तो आप इजीली आंसर कर सकते हैं इसको। हु इज एलिजाबेथ? वाइफ ऑफ द क्रॉफ्टर, पेडलर्स वाइफ, वाइफ ऑफ द आयन मास्टर, डॉटर ऑफ द पेडलर। करेक्ट आंसर, वाइफ ऑफ द आयन मास्टर। हु इज वी रिफर टू इन द अबव लाइन्स? वी किसके लिए यूज किया गया है, कौन कौन लोगों के लिए? द आयन मास्टर एंड हिज सन्स। सन्स तो है ही नहीं है, वो अब्रॉड रहते हैं। The Iron Master and his daughter, the Iron Master and his wife, the Iron Master and his family. We is referred to here the Iron Master and his daughter, Edla Wilmanison. What offer did the speaker make to the listener? Listener को क्या ऑफर करता है स्पीकर? He offered the listener to be his guest on the eve of Christmas. He offered him to help him cook the food for Christmas. He asked for his company for the sake of Elizabeth. None of these. What is the correct answer? He offered the listener to be his guest on the eve of Christmas. Fourth one. Why does the listener feel reluctant to be his guest? क्यों नहीं जाना चाहता था लिसनर यानी कि पेडलर उसके साथ? He thought they would hand him over to the sheriff. पुलिस को दे देंगे. He was feeling comfortable at the forge. The blacksmith was his friend. He was not the man speaker took him to be. Correct answer. He was not the man the speaker took him to be. वह वो व्यक्ति नहीं था जिसे आयन मास्टर समझ रहा था। वो कैप्टन वॉन स्टेल नहीं था, उसका रेजिमेंटल फ्रेंड। सेकेंड वन, ऑनर्ड एंड नोबल मिस, सिंस यू हैव बीन सो नाइस टू मी ऑल डे लॉन्ग as if I was a captain. I want to be nice to you. In return, as if I was a real captain, for I do not want you to be embarrassed at this Christmas season by a thief. But you can give back the money to the old man on the roadside who has the money pouch hanging on the window frame as a bait for poor wanderers. Who is the noble miss referred to in the above lines? कौन है वो नोबल मिस? एडला विल मैनसन। करेक्ट आंसर, एडला विल मैनसन। ये आयन मास्टर की बेटी है। वट मैसेज डज द स्पीकर ट्राई टू कन्वे थ्रू दिस लाइन? क्या कहना चाहता है स्पीकर ये लाइन्स के थ्रू? द स्पीकर शुड बी नाइस टू ऑल. वी मस्ट बी नाइस टू द पीपल हु आर नाइस टू अस. द रियल कैप्टन शुड बी ऑनर्ड. द ओल्ड मैन ऑन द रोड साइड शुड हैव बीन अ लिटिल courteous to him. Correct answer. We must be nice to the people who are nice to us. Identify the name of the lesson from which the above extract has been taken. Very easy. Rat Trap. Written by Selma Lagerlof. Why does the speaker call the money pouch as bait in the above lines? क्यों बुलाता है बेट, चारे के रूप में? He could not move any further from there. He was taken to the police. He himself was enticed with it as a prey. Enticed का मतलब होता है attracted. Yes. He himself was enticed with it as prey. वो खुद शिकार हो गया था उसका। पहले क्या कहा करता था, ये पूरा वर्ल्ड एक बड़ा सा रैट ट्रैप है, जो रिचेस हैं, जॉयज हैं, ये सब बेट्स हैं, जस्ट लाइक चीज रिन फॉर रैट ट्रैप. Now, third one. He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps when suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world about him, the whole world with its land and seas, its cities and villages, was nothing but a big rat trap. It had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits for people. Who is he here? It's very easy. He is peddler, the homeless tramp. What was he thinking? क्या सोच रहा था वो? About rat traps, about his survival, about cities and villages. None of these. He was thinking about rat traps. According to him, what is the purpose of the world? उसके हिसाब से इस वर्ल्ड का पर्पज क्या है? To kill people, to set baits for people, to spread kindness, to hypnotize world. Correct answer, to set baits for people. Which word from the following means the same as allurement? Allurement means struck, rat trap, idea, bait. क्या मतलब है इसका? allurement मतलब होता है अपील. अपील करना मतलब चारा डालना, बेट. appealing thing, that is bait. Next one. The next day both men got up in good season. The crofter was in a hurry to milk his cow, and the other man probably thought he should not stay in bed when the head of the house had gotten up. They left the cottage at the same time. The crofter locked the door and out the key in his pocket. Who is the other man here? Poor man, crofter, ironmaster, peddler. Who is the other man? The other man is peddler. Correct answer, peddler. Why was Crofter in a hurry? Crofter जल्दी में क्यों था? Because he had to go for some urgent work, because he had to milk his cow, because he had to go to shop. None of these. Because he had to milk his cow. Correct answer, because he had to milk his cow. What did the other man think? दूसरे ने क्या सोचा? He thought that it would be inappropriate to stay in bed when the head of the house has got up. He thought to steal the 30 kroner from him. He thought it would be inappropriate to steal his money. None of these. The very first option. He thought that it would be inappropriate to stay in bed when the head of the house has got up. Who is the author? I just told you in the video itself. Selma Lagerlof. He walked and walked without coming to the end of the wood, and finally he realized that he had only been walking around in the same part of the forest. All at once he recalled his thoughts about the world and the rat trap. Now his own turn had come. He had left himself be fooled by a bait and had been caught. Who is he here? Once again, who is he here? Peddler, tramp, homeless person. What was he doing in the woods? जंगलों में वो क्या कर रहा था? He was looking for someone. He was lost. He was walking in search of an end to the forest. These two are correct. Answer 2 and 3. So correct answer both 2 and 3. What did he realize then? उसने क्या महसूस किया तब? That he was mistaken by the iron master, that he took the wrong way, that he had been walking around in the same part of the forest. This is the correct answer. That he had been walking around in the same part of the forest. Now his own turn had come. Explain. इसको बताइए क्या इसका मतलब है? That he has been caught in the trap for getting fooled by a bait, that now he will fool someone, that now it's his turn to steal the money, both 1 and 2. Correct answer, that he has been caught in a trap for getting fooled by a bait. वो बेट उसके लिए क्या था? 30 क्रोनर जो उसने चुराए थे क्रॉफ्टर से. 3 10 kroner bills. Now sixth one. One dark evening as he was trudging along the road, he caught sight of a little grey cottage by the roadside, and he knocked on the door to ask shelter for the night. Nor was he refused. Instead of the sour faces which ordinarily met him, the owner, who was an old man without wife or child, was happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. He was trudging along the road. Cub, late night, dark evening, early morning, none of these. Correct answer, dark evening. What did he see on his way? रास्ते में क्या देखा उसने? Little grey cottage, houses, road, pool. Answer, little grey cottage. और ये किसका था? क्रॉफ्टर का. Why did he knock the door? किस लिए दरवाजा खटखटाया उसने? To talk to someone, to ask shelter for the night, to steal something, to check for the trap. Correct answer, to ask shelter for the night. Which word from the following means the same as plod? Plod का क्या मतलब होता है? Caught, sour, trudging, refused. Correct answer, trudging, walking. It was late in December. Darkness was already descending over the forest. This increased the danger and increased also his gloom and despair. Finally, he saw no way out and he sank down on the ground, tired to death, thinking that his last moment had come. Now, questions: who sank down on the ground? Once again, very easy. Who? Peddler. What increased danger? Danger क्या बढ़ा देता है? Darkness, gloom, despair. Last moment, darkness. What is he feeling? कैसा महसूस हो रहा है उसको? Scared, confident, emotional, none of these. He is feeling scared. Why did he sink on the ground? क्यों वो जमीन पे बैठ जाता है? क्योंकि बिल्कुल थक जाता है वो. Because he saw no way out, because he was feeling guilty, because he was more confident, because he lost his way. Correct answer, because he saw no way out. कोई उम्मीद नहीं दिखी उसको. Now, last one. Do tell me your score in comment section after attempting all these 32 questions. Now, I'm going to tell you, Mr. Ironmaster, how things are. He said, this whole world is nothing but a big rat trap. All the good things that are offered to you are nothing but cheese rinds and bits of pork set out to drag a poor fellow into trouble. Now, questions? Who is speaking to whom? कौन किसको बोल रहा है? Peddler to Ironmaster. कब बोला इसने? जब पेडलर की आइडेंटिटी लीक हो जाती है, पहचान जाता है आयन मास्टर उसको, तो उसको उपदेश देते वैसे बोलता है वो. टू वॉट इज द वर्ल्ड कंपेयर्ड? वर्ल्ड को किससे कंपेयर किया गया? बेट्स, बिग रैट ट्रैप, चीज रिंड्स, नन ऑफ दीज. आंसर, बिग रैट ट्रैप. विच वर्ड फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग मीन्स द सेम एज क्रस्ट? क्रस्ट का मतलब होता है ऊपरी परत. पोर्क, ट्रबल, रिंड, बिट्स. करेक्ट आंसर, रिंड, जिसका मतलब होता है आउटर लेयर, जैसे चीज रिंड. नाउ लास्ट वन. व्हाट इज रैट ट्रैप? ये रैट ट्रैप आखिर है क्या? रैट ट्रैप इज अ डिवाइस फॉर कैचिंग रैट्स. बिल्कुल सही है ये. रैट ट्रैप इज अ मेटाफर फॉर हाउ ह्यूमैनिटी इज बिगाइल्ड बाय द ट्रैप्स ऑफ लाइफ. बिगाइल्ड का मतलब होता है डिसीव्ड, धोखा दिया जा रहा है उसको. ये भी सही है. रैट ट्रैप इज अ क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट फ्रॉम द आयरन मास्टर. ये सही नहीं है. सो करेक्ट आंसर, बोथ 1 and